and alkaline earth metals and are often used in jewelry and coins. Iron is the most well-known transition metal and is used in the production of steel. The nonmetals are found in the upper right-hand corner of the periodic table. They are not shiny and do not conduct heat or electricity well. The most well-known nonmetal is oxygen, which is essential for life. The most well-known nonmetal is oxygen, which is essential for life. Conclusion. In conclusion, the elements of the periodic table are the building blocks of all matter. The periodic table is a useful tool for understanding the properties and behavior of these elements. By studying chemistry, we can gain a better understanding of the world around us and the materials we use every day. Whether it is the food we eat, the air we breathe, or the materials we use to build our homes, chemistry plays an important role in our daily lives. Chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is the process by which atoms are held together in a molecule or compound. Atoms can form chemical bonds by sharing electrons or by transferring electrons from one atom to another. Atoms can form chemical bonds by sharing electrons or by transferring electrons from one atom to another. The most common types of chemical bonds are covalent bonds, ionic bonds, and metallic bonds. Covalent bonds occur when two or more atoms share electrons. This type of bonding is typically seen in nonmetallic compounds. Covalent bonds are the strongest type of chemical bond and can be either polar or nonpolar. Polar covalent bonds occur when electrons are shared unequally between two atoms, resulting in a partial positive charge on one atom and a partial negative charge on the other. Nonpolar covalent bonds occur when electrons are shared equally between two atoms. Ionic bonds occur when one or more electrons are transferred from one atom to another. This type of bonding is typically seen in compounds between metals and nonmetals. Ionic bonds are weaker than covalent bonds but still relatively strong. In an ionic compound, positively charged cations and negatively charged anions are attracted to each other. In an ionic compound, positively charged cations and negatively charged anions are attracted to each other, forming a crystal lattice. Metallic bonds occur when metal atoms share electrons in a sea of electrons. This type of bonding is unique to metals and is responsible for the high electrical conductivity and malleability of metals. Metallic bonds are relatively weak compared to covalent and ionic bonds. Chemical reactions. Chemical reactions occur when one or more substances are transformed into new substances with different physical and chemical properties. There are four main types of chemical reactions: synthesis, decomposition, single displacement, and double displacement. Synthesis reactions occur when two or more substances combine to form a new substance. For example, the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to form water is a synthesis reaction. Decomposition reactions occur when a compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances. For example, the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen gas is a decomposition reaction.